Huh? Fuck this wind. I was gonna shave my buddy. I changed his own oil. And he gets all over me. Alright. Fuck. Son of a bitch. I guess that's what I get for trying to help. And be an asshole at the same time. Fuck. Well, I don't control the wind. Fuck. Making shit out here in the country. Great. A new filter on there, not the cheap one. I got Motorcraft. I got the bolt back in, and I got this anti-rust coating. You know, it's called oil. You know, repurposed. Yeah, try to clean it up. Looks mostly clean. Well, I wonder if it's gonna start. Supposed to sound like a diesel? It's not a diesel.